Hey there, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how you can solve the violet68 error in HyperSpace. So this is the solution for you straight away. I'm not going to give you blah blah blah, 5 minutes video. So if it helps you, I'll be really happy if you subscribe. A Uplay password reset is required. This error is due to an issue with the Uplay account connected to your console account. So if you have violet68, just change your password and click here, account management, forgot your password link, and just reset it. Really simple, really easy, and I believe that you can do it. So just reset your password in Uplay. Thank you very much everybody for watching, and yeah, have a great day and goodbye.